it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Doge Dash. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so you're guys going to want to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet on your guys' mobile device. Once you guys have done that, we're going to go ahead and go to our web browser. We're going to go on this website called CoinGecko. Right, where's the search? We're going to go ahead and type it in. We're going to go ahead and type in Doge Dash. Alright, so Doge Dash. We're going to click on that. Alright, so after we do that, we're going to go ahead and scroll down. Alright, this website basically tells you the statistics of the coins, cryptocurrencies, and how they've been doing for their lifetime, how they've been doing for the past month, for the past 24 hours, up to the past hour. Just letting you guys know in the website what it does. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and click where it says show info. Right where it says contract, we're going to go ahead and click on those two little boxes right next to the little wolf icon. Go ahead and click on that. It's basically copying the coin address, which we're going to need in a bit after. So we're going to go ahead and go on to this other website called PancakeSwap. On this site, it's basically a website where you're going to go ahead and convert your guys' cryptocurrencies. Let's say if I'm going to be using the Ethereum or the BNB coin, it's going to convert one of those coins into this Doge Dash coin. Alright, so right where it says Wallet Connect Wallet, we're going to go ahead and click on that. Alright, so it's going to give you three options. It's going to say Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. We're going to go ahead and click on the Wallet Connect. Even though it says Trust Wallet, we want to make sure we click on Wallet Connect. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and connect on the Trust icon. So once we do that, it's going to take us to their app. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Connect. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and go back to our web browser. On the bottom corner, you guys are going to see four icons. It says Trade, Earn, NFT, and Win. We're going to go ahead and click on the Trade icon. Once you do that, you guys can see I have a balance of BNB. You guys can see that I have 0.04 BNB available. That means that's another way of seeing that my wallet has been connected. Also, if you guys look at the top right corner, you guys can see a little wallet next to the downward arrow where you guys can see where it says disconnect. So that means it is connected. Alright, so right where it says select the currency, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go ahead and paste the address that we copied in earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and click on paste. And then we're going to go ahead and import the coin. Go ahead and read the instructions, and then after you guys do that, go ahead and click on I understand, and then click on import. Once we have done that, before you guys type in any amount of coins you guys want to purchase, you guys want to make sure you guys go ahead and you guys click on the little settings icon, and right where it says slippage tolerance, we want to make sure we go ahead and set that at 12. I had it on 15, but we want to make sure it's 12. But if this is your guys' first time purchasing a coin, usually comes set out at 1%. So we're gonna go ahead and type in 12. Once we've done that, then we're gonna go ahead and type in how many coins I want to purchase. So let's say if I click on max, that's basically using all my BNB, and that's gonna roughly buy me about 7,000 Doge Dash. But I don't want to do that. Let's say I want to type in 0.01. It's gonna buy me 2,000 Doge Dash coins. So after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and click on swap. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on confirm swap. It's gonna take us back to our app. And then from there, you guys can see your guys' total. So let's say right here, they're charging me $1.05 for the network fee, which is pretty cheap compared to the Ethereum blockchain. So let's say if I was converting one of the coins that's tied into the Ethereum blockchain, usually the Ethereum fees are much higher. It varies depending on the price. So let's say if Ethereum's doing pretty well, the coin itself, the prices are going to go up higher. So right now it varies. So I think it can vary between $100 to like $800 on the network fee, and it's pretty ridiculous. But yeah, so I really recommend if you guys have the option to convert and get coins that have to do with the Binance Smart Chain. It's much cheaper and it's much more efficient and much quicker sometimes to do the transaction. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on confirm, and once we do that, as you guys can see, nothing has changed. Actually, yes, it's loading. Alright, so if you guys see, I do not, it's still actually I have to go back. Sorry, went ahead of myself. So it's just waiting for confirmation. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for that. It's swapping, as you guys can see, swapping 0.01 BNB for 2,139 Doge Dash. I think I can go ahead and go back. But you guys can see that, okay, there we go. It has gone through. So you guys click on Smart Chain. You guys see that the smart contract has gone through. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead. So for here, when you guys purchase a coin for the first time, it will not appear on your guys' wallet. So you guys don't need to worry about that though. What you guys need to do, you guys have to go on the top right corner on those two little toggles. We're gonna go ahead and click on that, and we're gonna go ahead and type in the coin manually. So Doge Dash, go ahead and type that in. Doge Dash. What the heck? Doge Dash. So you guys can see it's toggled on. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it before I toggle it on, and you guys can see I have a balance of 1,946 coins, and which is, if you guys convert them to US dollars, it's about $6.08. So I'm gonna go ahead and toggle it on, and go ahead and refresh my page, and it should appear on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down, and there you go. You guys can go see that I now own about close to 2,000 Doge Dash. So yeah, that's how you guys purchase Doge Dash using these applications. So I hope this video was useful, and if you guys have any questions or concerns, if you guys want me to post about any type of coins, of how to purchase them, go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, like I said, that's how you guys purchase Doge Dash. I just found out that they're actually in the process of creating a mobile app called Doge Dash. You guys can go ahead and click on their website. Actually, I'll show you guys right here. This is the current price right now per coin, 0.3. So it's close to hitting a penny. If we go on their website, it's basically you just have to see it. So as you guys can see, they're creating an actual game, which I think in the future, I don't know if Dogecoin does really good, I think this can be another coin that might be able to go up higher. So that's, yeah, so just showing you guys their website and what they do, and that they're creating an app. So yeah, like I said, I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks.